What is project management? Now, this is very wide term. I cannot say one definition of project management. So each and every project have different requirements that you have to meet. Okay. Requirement means a project will have a scope. Okay. Scope is nothing but the boundary. What is the scope of work? Okay. Boundary of work. It will have time. Each and every project, as I said, right, it has fixed time, start date, end date. It can be 1 year, 2 year, 5 years, but it will definitely have a start date and end date. Budget. Each and every project needs to have some budget allocation. Okay, work, requirement, quality. These are other branches or other, requirement which a project manager has to meet. Project management also include understanding of tools and techniques. Okay, like common tools which we use as a project manager. Okay, common tools which as a project manager which I use is Monday. Monday, this is a tool for tracking. Okay, tracking the task, team member task. We use Planner. Okay, MS Planner, Microsoft Planner. Yeah, these free, so anyone can use. These also used for tracking. Okay, Microsoft, other tools like Excel and all this, I believe everyone knows. Okay, Excel, Word, whatever it is. Then we use Jira. This is common. Okay, since we work in Agile, we use Jira continuously. Yeah, Confluence is also there. Confluence tool. Now this is something like Wikipedia is there, right? Or it is a SharePoint kind of thing where all your project pages, okay, your documents, everything can be uploaded. You can create different pages as well. So these are the tools which we use in our project. Okay. Uh, Trello, yeah, it depends. Trello is also good too. I have not used, but these are the tools which are commonly used, especially your Jira planner. And nowadays, I'm seeing Monday is also becoming famous, but it depends. Okay, don't worry. When you go to a new company, right? If they're using some new tools, they're going to give you basic, knowledge transfer. So they're basically going to train you. Some of my students who have got the job, right, when I do provide them on job support, I have seen that they are getting those tools and trainings as well. So these are the items which are being managed by in a project. Then project manager also include understanding of tools and technique, knowledge. Okay, knowledge of what? Knowledge of whatever we are going to have in our classes. And skills. Project manager, there are certain skills that needs to be developed. For example, your communication skill, okay, your confidence, how you can improve your confidence, self-confidence, self-motivation, like that. Okay, your negotiation skills and so on. Next is process group and knowledge area. So as part of this PMP course, okay, we are going to have, we learn about 5 process group. I'll let you know tomorrow when we go in detail on them. Okay, initiation, planning, executing, and monitoring. Executing, monitoring, and controlling, and closing. These are the 5 process group. What are those? We'll let you know when we go there. and there are 10 knowledge area. So these 10 knowledge area, as you can see, integration, scope management, schedule management, cost, quality, resource, etc. These knowledge area is the one from where in your interview you will get 90% of the question. In interview, they are going to ask you all questions from this area only, about this area. How as a project manager you have done scope management, how you have done quality management, how you have done this management, and you know, etc. They'll ask you basically this. So we'll go through all of them. Don't worry. And from exam perspective, this knowledge area will carry more than 75% mark. So if you are going for certification, then also this is very much required. Okay. Now, program and portfolio management. So as I said, program management is basically, combination of different projects. So is program management necessary? Do we need to have a program manager basically? So it is not mandatory. If it add value, then we need a program manager. Now you'll ask me, how can we know whether it is adding value or not? So here, see, when I say adding value, your program manager, okay, what he will do, he will bring all similar projects under one umbrella. Okay. Now what he will do, when I say adding value means, let's say you have different projects of Microsoft, you have project of Apple, you have project of Google, okay, you have project of OnePlus, and these are all mobile project. So if this project is actually helping you gain, like, learning, gaining learning, where you can utilize one learning in other projects and so on, then it is good to have program management. It's not only about gaining something, it is also about, utilizing the resources. Okay. Like these all company will have for managing this project, you want to hire resources from mobile background. So if you can utilize your resources, their knowledge, okay, interchange them among the team members, then it is good. You can have a program manager who will, develop a strategy for all the project, and then they will follow. But if it is not bringing any visible advantage to the company, then no need of having this program management basically. Okay, so it depends from company to company if they want to keep it or not. If they are seeing any value, they'll keep it, otherwise not. Okay, any questions till here? Portfolio management, again the same concept. We need portfolio management only if it adds value to the company. The same principle applies. See, the basic objective in service based company, you will see, you will have this program portfolio management. In product based company, you will not have this. They'll not keep this because when they are making a product, everything is unique there. But in service based company, since they're working for different product companies, right? So the same product company, they can combine and make program or portfolio. So service-based company, if they are seeing what benefit they are going to get, okay, generally why we keep this portfolio or program is, if you are facing challenge in one project, then you can take a reference, lesson learned from another project, and you can improve. You can take pull resources from there, and then you can manage. These are the basic objective due to which we make a project or portfolio. If you want to, increase the work as well, you can take this learning and how can you bring more work for your company. So these are advantages which service based companies see. That's why you will see program manager, portfolio management in service based company. Okay, this is how it is being done.
Thank you for watching. Switch from non-IT to IT today. Explore www.thinkcloudly.com.